Hey Yummy, it's Princess here from Yummy Cash and you're welcome to this channel. Today's video, I'm here to share with you how to make this absolutely delicious, perfect garden egg stew. And make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads I have for you. Now let's get started. Now to start with, start by cutting the stalks from the garden eggs or the eggplant and make sure to wash it very well. After washing it in a cooking pan, add in the garden eggs and add in peas, that is green peas. Now you can use turkey berries or queen susa, but then you have to know it's gonna taste or it's going to change the taste of the stew, but it is perfectly okay. Add some fresh pepper and some water, transfer it to the fire and cook it completely. Now when it is done, in another pan, add some oil and let it be very hot. You can use palm oil or ngo as we call it in Ghana, if that is what you want and that is what you want, you are going in for. Now add some minced garlic and fry it for at least 30 to 40 seconds. The reason why we are adding garlic at this point is to, give the oil some nice aroma and some flavor too. Now after that, add in your diced onions and fry it for some time, or when the onions are translucent. Now after that, add in diced tomatoes. In my case, I'm using 1 tin of tomatoes, from the tin, and then fry this very well. Now whilst this is frying on fire, grind some onions, garlic, ginger, fennel seeds, anise seeds, and salt in an earthenware. Add these grounded ingredients to the tomato sauce on fire and stir to mix very well. When you're done mixing it, leave this to really cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on a very medium heat. Do not let the heat be high because we are not going in for any burnt stew. Yes. Then make sure to subscribe to this channel for more of great recipes, and not forgetting sharing it to all the social media platform. Yes, share it to your Facebook page, share it to your family and friends on WhatsApp, everywhere, on your status, I will be very grateful if you share this video out, because trust me, this is absolutely delicious. Now, the next thing to add in is your mackerel in tomato sauce or tinapa. Anagesia. That is what I'm using. And I understand there is delayed mackerel in tomato sauce. I'm yet to try some. So you start to mix and then you add in your all-pepper spice and onion powder. So with the onion powder, I have a video down in the description where you can also watch that video and make yours at home. Now after you've added this, add in these spices: curry powder, garlic powder, black pepper powder, and then white pepper powder, and stir it to mix very well. You can see the stew is already looking jet. Oh yes, it tastes very delicious. In fact, absolutely delicious. Add some generous amounts of salt if there is no salt in your stew, and mix very well. Now the next thing you would add is your smoked mackerel fish, and then you stir to mix. Now once again, I have a video on how you make your smoked salmon down in the description. Kindly check it out on how I did it. In fact, I smoked it in the oven, especially for those of us in the diaspora who are not at home. You understand? Now I have some wale or pomo. Add some to it and stir to mix. Now after stirring the pomo and the mackerel fish in your stew, Cover to cook for at least 1 or 2 minutes on a very low heat. So all this while, make sure your garden eggs, your peas, that is your green peas, and the pepper that you cooked are grounded in an earthenware, that is apoto yua. After the 2 or 3 minutes tete wo nyadwa na wanyamono fegumu kama. That is, add your grounded garden eggs, your peas, and your pepper to the stew and mix it, or stir to mix beautifully. At this point, so make sure to taste for salt, because the garden eggs does not contain salt. So definitely when this mixture and the stew gets into contact, the salt, the taste of the salt will, go down a little bit. So taste for salt and add more if it is not okay. Make sure to stir very well and subscribe to the channel if you have not. After stirring, cover to cook for, let's say, 2 minutes, and then come back and stir and add in some eggs if you have. So yummy. This is at the end of this video, and this is how I made this absolutely delicious garden egg stew. I hope you love it, and I hope you try your hands on at home. Let me know in the comment section when you try your hands on at home, and I will be so much grateful. Always remember to do everything in love, and kindly share this video out, because someone out there needs this video. Hope to see you around next time. Take care of yourself. Choose